Node.js lets JavaScript run outside the browser, on a server, with real file system and network access, powering everything from APIs to command line tools. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Install Node.js from nodejs.org or via a version manager like NVM. Node script.js runs a JavaScript file directly from the terminal, no browser involved at all. Node adds APIs a browser doesn't have: real file access, FS, real networking, HTTP, process info, process.argv, process.run. Node script.js runs this file directly in the terminal, no script tag, no browser, no HTML page needed at all. The built-in OS module is a real node-only API. Information about the actual machine running this script, unavailable in browser.js. Here's the real difference. Node.js runs JavaScript outside the browser, on a server or your own machine. Node.js runs JavaScript outside the browser, on a server or your own machine. Node script.js executes a file directly from the terminal. Node provides real OS-level APIs, files, networking, process info a browser sandbox never exposes. Install Node.js and run Node, console.log, process.version from your terminal. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.